Hello, everybody. I hope you're all well. I wanted to sing a song today that I was recently asked to sing at a funeral. And I wanted to sing it because, first of all, it's very rare that I'm asked to sing a song that I've never heard of, ever. I'm often asked to sing songs that I've never sung before, but I'll usually know them or they'll ring a bell. And I'd never heard this song before, and it's just so beautiful. And I had to sing it for you because I don't know if you've ever heard it either. It's by a composer called One Irish. The page is One Irish, and you can find it on YouTube and Facebook. And the song itself is called Old Kildare. And I just know that if you love Ireland as much as I do, you will love this song. I mean, it's written about Kildare, but it just has that beautiful Irish feel to it that we all love and we're all so proud of. So yeah, I really hope that you like this song. Unfortunately, I learned it because of a sad situation, but I'm grateful for having the chance to learn it and to hear such a beautiful song. So I hope you like it, and let me know in the comments if you like it, or if there's any other songs you might think that I don't know that you'd like me to sing. Okay, bye bye. We'd ride our bikes on gravel roads, barefoot lads with tails to hold. The turf was stacked, the hurls were worn, the kettle boiled from early morn. The hay was high, the sun hung low, the fields sang green in a golden glow, and every heart was light as air in the old days down in Kildare. Oh, take me back to Bridget's land, with calloused hands and marching bands, where stories warmed the evening air, by the firesides of old Kildare. Though time has turned and skies moved on, there's a light that lingers when the day is gone, and I'll find peace forever there, in the fields and dreams of old Kildare. The chapel bell would toll at noon, while tractors hummed a distant tune. The lads played ball past cottage gates, and love grew slow behind the bales of late. Nana's voice and Grandad's grin, the neighbors walked without a sin. We never knew what we had there, till time rolled on past old Kildare. Oh, take me back to Bridget's land, with calloused hands and marching bands, where stories warmed the evening air, by the firesides of old Kildare. Though time has turned and skies moved on, there's a light that lingers when the day is done, and I'll find peace forever there, in the fields and dreams of old Kildare. And when I'm gone, don't lay me bare, just plant me soft beneath Kildare. So take me back to Bridget's land, where barefoot ghosts still make a stand. No stone or crown could shine so fair as the quiet soul of old